Okay, you're probably wondering, what do you got going on, Ben? I'll show you. Look at that deer rub. That's a good one. So I'm at a property that I don't know where I am. Oh yeah, but I take care of. And every year we take out a bunch of trees that are fallen or whatnot for the customers. So we got a couple pine trees. They're right next to the road. I got my mini excavator with me, but what I'm gonna do is actually pull them, sneak my mini X all the way through the woods, so that way I can just pull them butt end out and snake it through all the trees. There they are. They're not great big. The road is right there. So somebody's gonna ask me, why don't you just cut it up and pull it out that way? Or if I just take my mini X, crawl up in here, right down there, I can take out a couple branches and stuff, and then I can just hook up the chains and pull them right out. Save me some time. So I'll set up the camera and show you guys. Alright, we got her squeezed up in here. I got the logs hooked up, a couple chains. One chain's longer than the other. What I'm hoping is that one will start and then the other one can stay behind a little bit so it's not too grouped up, but I bet that probably won't happen. They'll stay together and it'll be a shit show. Stay tuned. Tight roping her through here. Yeah, got a little bit to go yet. hard to see, but you see his face in there? Anyways, there he goes. I cut the stump down. This is my first one. I've seen it all the time. Cut this big old rotten stump. Big old bull raccoon came on running on out. Hot trot, pissed. I don't see any blood. I don't think I killed him. He's in there by himself. Alright, clean the rest of this oak, and there's a couple black locusts in there. Clean that crap up. I got that all pushed up. Trails are done, everything else is done. Sorry I didn't videotape, I just don't want to be here. I'm not in the people pleasing mood anymore today. Okay, gotta be honest though.